If you're on manual, yep.
Okay, after you have your time and temperature set, you hit start.
That's it, that's all. Okay, and does it light up when you open it?
Try it.
Okay, there is a light in there. Oh, cool.
Or,
Yeah. Oh, it has a keep warm. That's what I wanted this one because it has the keep warm cycle on it. Delay? Oh, that's like we put a timer on it?
yes.
Okay. There's the rotisserie.
Or you can go light.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Turn the light off.
Yep.
You can go rotisserie in any cycle. Now that starts spinning the thingy in there.
Okay, so we could do the basket or we could do the...
Correct.
Yeah. Oh, cool. And it's showing you that the fan is going.
Yes.
And the
Heat's on. Heat's on and fan's on. When the heat's off, the heat goes off.
Okay.
But the fan stays on.
And that's for setting the clock or that's for a timer?
That's a timer on the lower, like right now it's set for 23 minutes.
Oh, okay. All right.
So if you wanted to change that.
Yeah. Okay. I got it. Cool.
You hit timer again.
Yay. That's going to be fun.